You know, if you want to swing high, there is a secret to it.
Wait, I've got it! If you become lighter, then you can swing higher, right?
Okay, let's test it out then. Let's see if changing the weight affects how high you can actually swing.
You're only this high.
Night-night, get off so I can swing higher, okay?
You're still only this high.
Actually, changes in weight will not affect the height or speed of swinging at all, you know?
Changing the weight doesn't work. Swinging is so hard.
Hey, don't be upset. If you can understand the technique, it's really not hard to swing that high. Swinging is a kind of simple pendulum motion. When a pendulum moves from right to left, if you don't consider the resistance force of the air, then the highest it can swing to the right is the same as the height on the left. If the oscillation angle of the pendulum gets bigger, then the height of the swing will also get higher, and the speed will increase too. Within the same motion, if the rope gets shorter, then the speed that the pendulum swings will get faster and the height will get higher.
But we can't change the length of the swing. So how do we swing higher then?
We can adjust our body's center of gravity to make the swing go much higher. When you swing, if you kneel down when you reach the highest point, then the pendulum's center of gravity will become lower. The distance between the center of gravity and the hanging point will become longer. And at this point, the swing's velocity equals 0. So the length of the rope will not affect the speed of the swing. That way, when we reach the lowest point, then you just stand up. And that way, the distance between the center of gravity and the hanging point shortens. The swing velocity increases. So you will swing even higher than the last time, and the oscillation angle when you reach the highest point will be greater too. Then you kneel again by increasing the oscillation angle. You provide more kinetic energy, so that the swing will go even higher than before. Repeat this a few times and you'll swing higher and higher.
You kneel down at the high point and stand up at the low point.
Mooney, give it another try.